Today, we plunge into the depths, exploring the mysteries and marvels hidden beneath the waves of Earth's vast oceans. In these waters lie secrets that have puzzled scientists and sparked legends for centuries. From immense creatures lurking in the ocean's abyss to enigmatic locations shrouded in myth, our exploration takes us to the very edges of the known world. We'll venture into realms where light dances in the darkness and ancient cities tell stories lost to time. We'll traverse mysterious regions, notorious for their tales, and witness the grandeur of nature's giants in the deep. Join us at FactVault as we unravel these mysteries, blending science with stories and bringing the unseen depths of our oceans to light. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures with FactVault, where every discovery is a key to a greater understanding of our mysterious planet. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, hydrothermal vents reveal a world thriving in extreme conditions. These underwater fountains, first discovered in 1977, emit superheated, mineral-rich waters, creating an oasis for unique life forms in the abyssal darkness. Here, sunlight is a stranger, yet life abounds. The vents are home to a diverse array of organisms, including chemosynthetic bacteria and archaea. These microorganisms form the foundation of the vent ecosystem, performing chemosynthesis to convert the vent's chemicals into energy. This process is akin to photosynthesis, but relies on chemical energy instead of sunlight. Around these bacteria teem larger organisms uniquely adapted to this harsh environment. Tube worms, for instance, lack a digestive system and rely on symbiotic bacteria within their bodies for nutrition. These worms can grow several feet in length, forming colorful clusters around the vents. Similarly, vent shrimp, thriving in the mineral-rich waters, have specialized gills that help them absorb nutrients. These shrimp are often found in dense swarms, feeding on the microscopic bacteria. Giant clams and mussels also populate these regions, harboring symbiotic bacteria in their gills. They filter the water for food, and the bacteria use hydrogen sulfide, a toxic compound prevalent in vent fluids, as an energy source. Vent crabs and snails evolved to endure the extreme conditions, complete this unique ecosystem. These animals are specifically adapted to the high temperatures and pressures and the toxic chemicals that would be lethal to most other life forms. This extraordinary ecosystem, independent of the sun, challenges our understanding of life's boundaries and hints at the potential for life in similar extreme environments beyond our planet, like the ice-covered moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Hydrothermal vents serve as a living laboratory for studying the origins and limits of life, offering a glimpse into the adaptability and resilience of life in the most inhospitable places. The Bermuda Triangle, a swath of the North Atlantic Ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico, has long captivated the world with tales of mysterious disappearances. This region, notorious for its lore of vanishing ships and planes, teeters on the edge of scientific explanation and myth. In this vast expanse, the Bermuda Triangle isn't just a geographical location, it's a hotbed for stories of unexplained phenomena. Despite its infamous reputation, the truth might be more grounded in environmental factors and statistical likelihood than in supernatural causes. The ocean is inherently treacherous, and in a high-traffic area swept by storms, mishaps are bound to occur. One theory suggests magnetic anomalies as a possible explanation. Here, compasses may point true north, leading to navigational errors, especially near the agonic line running close to the triangle. However, no substantial evidence supports the existence of unusual magnetic disturbances in this area. Another scientific hypothesis involves undersea methane deposits. It's theorized that massive gas eruptions could destabilize the water, engulfing ships, yet there's no recent evidence of such events in the triangle. Similarly, rogue waves, giant walls of water appearing without warning, could be a plausible explanation, but direct ties to the triangle's incidents are unverified. Ultimately, the Bermuda Triangle's legend might reside more in the human mind than in the ocean. Our fascination with the bizarre and the tendency to remember extraordinary events over mundane explanations play a role. For instance, the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945 and its subsequent search aircraft have fueled various theories, from compass malfunctions to human error, overshadowing more rational explanations like adverse weather conditions. Despite the allure of its mysteries, the Bermuda Triangle is as real as any other part of the ocean, with natural hazards and beauty. It serves as a reminder of the ocean's unforgiving nature and our tendency to find intrigue in the unexplained. We know you're here for the facts, but here's a quick detour to FactVault.org, our little corner for curiosity-inspired merchandise. From sleek pint glasses to cozy beanies, each item is a nod to your love for knowledge. Wrap yourself in one of our sweaters, or grab your comfy pajamas for your next big idea. Every purchase supports our channel and fuels our shared journey of discovery. So take a moment, explore FactVault.org today. Now, back to the facts. Dwarka, an ancient city steeped in myth and spirituality, stands as a testament to India's rich historical tapestry. Legend has it that Lord Krishna himself established this city, which was later submerged beneath the Arabian Sea. Dwarka's existence, once a matter of folklore, is now a subject of intense archaeological interest. According to ancient texts, Dwarka was not just a city, but a symbol of divine power and architectural prowess. Built by the architect Vishwakarma, it was said to house over 900 palaces made of gold and silver. The city, with its formidable fortifications and grandeur, was the epitome of Vedic civilization. However, following Krishna's departure from the world, a cataclysmic event led to its submergence, marking the beginning of the Kali Yuga, an epoch in Hindu cosmology. Recent underwater explorations in the Gulf of Cambay suggest that Dwarka could be one of the earliest cities in human history, predating even the Harappan civilization. The discovery of geometrical structures and artifacts, such as pottery, beads, and sculptures, hint at an advanced society that thrived over 5,000 years ago. Archaeological findings suggest that Dwarka was a fortified city, which eventually succumbed to rising sea levels. The city's detailed descriptions in ancient texts like the Mahabharata and the Puranas align with these findings, giving credence to the idea that what was once deemed myth could be historical reality. The story of Dwarka is not just about a submerged city. It's about the intersection of myth, religion, and historical fact. It challenges our understanding of ancient civilizations and compels us to reconsider the chronology of human history. In the ocean's enigmatic depths, a mesmerizing display unfolds, the phenomenon of bioluminescence, where organisms emit their own light. This natural spectacle, a result of chemical reactions within living creatures, illuminates the marine world's darkest corners. Bioluminescence, a type of chemiluminescence occurring in biological organisms, is a cold light, producing minimal heat. This light is vital for survival in the ocean's twilight zone, where up to 90% of life forms generate light, be it the glowing lanternfish or the shimmering jellyfish. The chemistry of bioluminescence involves luciferin and luciferase or photoprotein. While some organisms synthesize luciferin internally, others acquire it through diet or symbiosis. For instance, some squid house bioluminescent bacteria, benefiting from the light in a mutualistic relationship. The light varies in color, with marine bioluminescence predominantly blue-green, optimal for visibility in deep waters. In contrast, terrestrial bioluminescent organisms like fireflies often emit yellow light. The rare ability to display multiple colors is seen in creatures like the railroad worm, showcasing different bioluminescent colors in different body parts. Bioluminescence serves diverse purposes, from defensive tactics like counter-illumination in hatchetfish to offensive strategies like the anglerfish's deceptive lure. It's also used for communication, as seen in fireflies' mating signals. In recent years, bioluminescence has sparked interest beyond the ocean's bounds. Its potential applications range from bioengineered lighting solutions to agricultural innovations. Understanding bioluminescence not only unravels the mysteries of deep-sea life, but also opens doors to novel technological advancements inspired by nature's own light show. In the mysterious, dark depths of the ocean, a realm of giants exists. Creatures like the colossal squid, sea spiders, and enormous sponges grow to sizes that dwarf their shallow water relatives. This phenomenon, known as deep-sea gigantism, presents a fascinating puzzle. Why do these creatures grow to such enormous sizes? The deep sea's harsh environment, characterized by limited resources and extreme cold, plays a critical role in this gigantism. Food scarcity means that larger size offers significant advantages. Bigger creatures can travel further for food and mates, and are more efficient at storing energy. This is vital in a world where sustenance is scarce and sporadic. Cold temperatures also contribute significantly. The colossal squid, for example, lives in subantarctic waters and can grow 14 times longer than its smaller relative, the arrow squid. The frigid waters slow down metabolic rates, allowing creatures like the Greenland shark to grow over centuries, reaching lengths of up to 24 feet and living for several hundred years. In polar regions like Antarctica, gigantism occurs even closer to the surface. The abundance of oxygen in these cold waters, combined with the slow usage of oxygen due to reduced metabolic rates, lifts constraints on growth. This allows for larger body sizes without the risk of oxygen deprivation. The phenomenon of deep-sea gigantism illustrates how life adapts to extreme conditions. These giants of the deep are not just anomalies. They are evidence of the ocean's capacity to support life in all its forms, no matter how large. As we continue to explore these depths, we uncover more about these fascinating creatures and the mechanisms behind their impressive growth. As our journey into the depths comes to a close, we resurface with a deeper appreciation of the ocean's enigmatic wonders. From the bioluminescent spectacles painting the sea's canvas to the colossal denizens of the deep, each discovery has offered us a glimpse into a world beyond our usual reach. We've navigated through the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, stood in awe of the ancient city of Dwarka, and marveled at the sheer scale of deep-sea giants. These stories, bridging the gap between myth and science, remind us of the endless mysteries waiting in the uncharted waters of our planet. At FactVault, our mission is to uncover the hidden treasures of history, nature, and science. We hope this expedition has ignited your curiosity and wonder for the world's mysterious depths. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and share to help us continue bringing the marvels of our world to your screen. Stay tuned for more adventures with FactVault, where every story is an adventure and every discovery a treasure. See you in the next journey.